This is a simple abscess incision and drainage, and I'll walk you through how I approach it. Before any incision, the area should be properly cleaned. Chlorhexidine or iodine are both appropriate. I always start by palpating the area to find the most fluctuant spot. That soft center, which often feels like a fluid-filled balloon, is what tells you there's actually something to drain. Once I've identified that point, I use a number 11 scalpel and make a small stab incision directly over the area of maximal fluctuation. I'm not trying to make a large cut, but just enough to introduce a hemostat and break up loculations. As soon as you enter, you'll usually see immediate drainage, which confirms you're in the right place. From there, I gently break up any loculations inside the abscess cavity. This part is important, but it should be done carefully. You're trying to open up pockets, not cause unnecessary tissue trauma. After that, I allow the purulent material to drain and use gentle pressure as needed. There's no need for aggressive squeezing. Once it's drained, I irrigate the cavity thoroughly. Irrigation is a key step. It helps flush out remaining debris. For most small, uncomplicated abscesses, routine packing isn't recommended. I leave the cavity open and use a simple dressing, reserving packing for larger or higher risk cases.